Hey guys, Jonah here from 100 Concepts, and today I want to show you how to install our ScopeCap Pro for ACOGs on this TA31. The process will be the same though for any of the offerings for ACOGs. So it'll come like this, pre-tied, and you can see we have two different colors of shock cord to kind of demonstrate where this will be going. So to start off with, I'm going to take the front and I'm going to line it up. You'll see there's a pin on the TA31 and the TA02 models, and we're going to line that up with the hole at the bottom of the optic here, and this groove here will click around the housing, and you just press backwards until you hear a click, just like that. Now I'm going to take the shock cord from the top side, I'm going to run it through this groove and to around the right side of the optic, and on the shock cord from the bottom is going to run around the left side. So you can see I'm pulling that shock cord to the back, and then I'm going to take this rear body, just line it up with the eyepiece of the ACOG, and then go ahead and press to seat until you hear a click. Just like that. And now it's set up on your ACOG and you're ready to go. If you have any more questions about this, just fill out our contact form at 100concepts/contact. Thanks guys.